Hello, and welcome to the Too Many Rides channel. But I wanted to stop here on the Stagecoach Trail and bring some light to a brand new playlist that I created for my YouTube channel. This playlist is all about Frankenstein. It's the bike that I made out of the worst parts. I'm here to tell you about the playlist. There's been a number of videos about Frankenstein, and I believe there's some that have been hidden and hard to find. So that's why I created a playlist. Now you can start out right from the beginning, when I got the old 96 decommissioned from out of storage. And you can watch how I took parts from other bikes, a number of other bikes, and put this bike together out of the worst parts. I went through all my stuff and I found the worst parts, the most nicked up nuts and bolts, the most scraped up edges of stuff, and I put them all together to make Frankenstein. You remember, I used the Tracker project. I used parts from that. I used Tom's donor bike. I used parts from that. I used 2000 XR600 #1, parts from that. And I made a number of videos as I put all this stuff together. There's 15 videos total in the playlist. So now you can start out at #1 and it'll go right through in order, all the way up to the day when we took it out on the trail to give it the final test ride. I'm just sharing these videos hoping that you guys will like it. There's over 650 videos on my channel. So you should be checking it out, especially if you like XR600Rs. There's a set list for Frankenstein. It's a playlist on YouTube. You should check it out. The worst parts. The playlist at the end of this video right here, the playlist will be something you can click on. The playlist is going to be there for you. So just hang tight, go all the way to the end, and then click on that. And it'll start you out on Frankenstein day 1. That's good for you. You can watch them in pieces and just come back to it. It's wonderful.